We have welcomed all the leaders, party leaders of different political parties who have left the Congress party, who want to join the Congress party. We have asked them to return back to the Congress party and give their application. A committee has been formed by my former PCC President Mr. Allam Virabhadrappa. He will look into it. But generally from the block level to the state level, whoever want to come to the Congress party under the leadership of Mallikarjun Kharge, Sonia Gandhi and Rahul ji, we welcome them. So, who believes in the leadership and the Congress ideology, we want all of them to join the Congress party. And the membership also, for those who want to join the party, will be opened online. Digital membership will be opened. They can have their membership again, who have not been enrolled themselves as a member of the Congress party, can enroll as a members on online to the Congress party.